What are some signs of trauma in children, adolescents, and teens? How does it show up?
I would divide it in 4 different areas: how the body reacts, how the brain thinks, emotions, and behavior. Some of the body indication is the inability to control physical responses to stress, having lots of chronic illnesses. Even into the adulthood, it can actually bring heart disease and obesity. When you look at trauma in a brain thinking process, difficulty thinking, learning, concentrating, impaired memory, lost track of time, blockage of memory, difficulty switching from one thought to another. When you think about emotions, I've actually even seen children drawing pictures without a face, without an eye, nose, and mouth. That is a sign that you want to say something, but you don't even know how to say it or how to express it. And I think that's where we're coming as professionals.